Chapter 1 is titled Financial Mathematics, Investing Money. The purpose of investing is to earn interest. Interest is the amount of money earned on an investment or paid on top of the amount borrowed on a loan. You can invest or borrow for different amounts of time. This duration is called the term of the investment or loan. The original amount of money invested or loaned is called the principal. When investing, you'll earn interest, sometimes at a fixed rate which is guaranteed not to change for the duration of the investment. You can also invest where there may be variable interest. However, for simplicity, we're going to focus on fixed interest rates in this class. So in this section, we will talk about simple interest. This is the amount of interest earned on an investment or paid on a loan based on the principal and the interest rate. The amount of simple interest earned on an investment can be determined using the following formula. I equals PRT, where I is the interest earned, P is the principal amount invested, and R is the annual interest rate expressed as a decimal, and T is the time in years. So example 1 on page 8 of the textbook reads, Marty invested in a 2500 GIC, Guaranteed Investment Certificate, at 2.5% simple interest paid annually with a term of 10 years. How much interest will accumulate over the term of Marty's investment? Well, I equals PRT, so we plug in the values we know. The principal is $2,500. The interest rate expressed as a decimal is 0.025, and it's over 10 years. So if we plug that into our calculator, we get I is equal to $625. B says, what is the future value of the investment at maturity? The future value is the amount A that an investment will be worth after a specified period of time. So we take our principal, we add the amount of interest we earn to it, and we get the future value is equal to $31.25. Part C says use Marty's investment to write an algebraic expression that could be used to determine the future value of any investment earning simple interest. So let A represent the amount or future value of the investment. Then A is equal to the principal plus the interest, PRT. You can factor out the common P to get that A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. Take a look at example 3 on page 10. Ingrid invested her summer earnings of $5,000 at 8% simple interest paid annually. She intends to use the money in a few years to take a holiday with a girlfriend. How long will it take for the future value of the investment to grow to $8,000? So A is $8,000. That's the future value. The principal she's investing is $5,000 at a rate of 8% or 0.08. So using our formula, we can plug in what we know, simplify, and then solve for T, and we get that T is 7.5 years. But because the interest is only paid annually, you have to round up to 8 years. Part B says, what is Ingrid's rate of return? The rate of return is the interest earned divided by the principal. So the interest earned is $8,200 minus $5,000, $3,200. So you take that $3,200, divide it by our principal, which was $5,000, and that equals 0.64. We then write it as a percent. So 64%. Remember, even though interest rates are assumed to be annual or per year, the interest earned can be paid out at different intervals. Semi-annually means twice per year, monthly is 12 times per year, weekly is 52 times per year, or even daily, 365 times per year. Another one that is common is quarterly, or 4 times per year. Your assignment is on pages 14 to 17, numbers 1 to 6, 9, 12, and 13.